Hey guys, welcome to our workout from home channel. Today we are doing upper body, we are doing shoulders and arms workout. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do 20 jumping jacks. And after jumping jacks, do 20 mountain climbers. And after mountain climbers, give 5 burpees. And after that, just do some shoulder rotations, forward and reverse, and then stretch little bit. So once you're warmed up, let's get into the workout now. So for the workout, we are doing 4 rounds for time today. We are starting with 50 mountain climbers, 10 push-up plus shoulder taps, then 10 high plank jumps, and 10 plank pull-throughs. And again, we are ending with 50 jumping jacks. So this will be one round. We'll be doing 4 rounds of these. So for the mountain climbers, we are getting into high plank position. Make sure your core is engaged and the palm is directly under the shoulders. So in this high plank position, we will be moving like running like this. Make sure your butt is low and core is engaged when you move like this. So we are doing 50 of these, and after this we are doing 10 push-up with a shoulder tap. So for the push-up with shoulder tap, we are doing a regular push-up like this, and after that we are doing a shoulder tap. So this will be one movement. We are doing 10 of these. Push-up plus shoulder tap. Like this. So if you're doing a modified push-up, if you're doing knees on the floor, you can do a push-up first, then get into high plank, then do a shoulder tap, then do a push-up, high plank, do a shoulder tap. Or you can also do forward raises, do a push-up, do a forward raise, like this. So you can scale in these two ways. And after this, we are doing 10 high plank jumps. For the high plank jumps, we are getting into high plank position. From here, we are trying to jump forward as much as we can and make sure you are controlling the jump. So from here, I'm jumping forward and then going back into high plank. So we are doing 10 of these. So if you want to scale it, get into high plank, just move forward and then move back. Move forward, move back. So this is how you can scale it. And after high plank jumps, we are doing 10 plank pass-throughs or plank pull-through. For that, I have a dumbbell. I'm going to use that. In case if you don't have a dumbbell, you can use any object in home, but make sure it's of some good weight, like 10 to 15 pounds. You can use that. So for the plank pull-through, we are again getting into high plank position. Make sure the weight is near you. Getting into high plank position. So when the weight is on my left side, I'm using my right hand to take the weight from here, and then I'm pulling it to my right side. And pull it as far as you can, so that when you go with the left hand next time, you put some effort to drag it back like this. So I'm going to do alternate. So we are doing 10 of these, one each side. So if you're doing with the object, you can do it the same way. You can high plank, take the object, pull it left side, then pull it right. Like this. So we are doing 10 of these. But when you do this, make sure your core is engaged, you're squeezing your glutes and butt. So once we are done with these things, we are ending this round with 50 jumping jacks. For the jumping jacks, we're doing like this. So this is one round. We are doing 4 rounds of these for our workout. So I'm going to do one quick round. So this is one round. We're going to repeat this 3 more times. So we're doing 4 rounds for time. This is our workout for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. See you.